A few precautions before you begin. Perform a factory data reset only if necessary, as it removes your Google account and all data including system data, app data and media. For devices with Android device protection turned on, it's imperative Google sign-in credentials are known prior to completing a factory reset with the device powered off. If credentials are unknown, do one of the following. 1. Attempt to sign in with any Google account previously used on the device. 2. Reset the password via www.google.com/accounts/recovery website. If a pattern or PIN has ever been set up on the device, Google account sign-in is required during initial setup. A factory reset can also serve as a method to bypass forgotten passwords. If a user has forgotten the PIN, pattern, or password they have set on their device, a factory reset can be done to erase the user data and start again. Just turn off the device by holding the power plus the volume down and the home button to force shutdown. Then hold volume up plus the power button and home button for 3 seconds and release together. Allow up to 30 seconds for the recovery screen to appear. From the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Utilize the volume buttons to cycle through the available options and the power button to select. Allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. You can also select Wipe Cache Partition. Select Yes. Allow several seconds for wiping the cache partition to complete. Select Reboot System now. Allow several minutes for the reboot process to complete. If applicable, set up your device. Factory data reset will revert the device back to factory settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings and content such as pictures, ringtones and apps that are saved to the device. It is recommended that you save, backup, important data before proceeding. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Repairs to Go channel. Shout out to Bored Vlogger. See you next time.